Hello students, welcome back to our next session, English Lesson 1 Exercises. Already we completed children, 3 exercises we completed, new words, meanings and question and answers. Now the 4th exercise, words power. Words power. Here match the words to make sentences. Textbook page 8. The words are a dog, a baby, a towel, a snake, a potter, a teacher, a cricketer, a footballer. In the next sides, hits, cries, dries, elps, kicks, hisses, carries, teaches. We should match these words, children. What is the first one? A dog. A dog. Which word will match here? Yelps. A dog yelps. Second one, a baby. A baby. What will be? Cries. Baby cries always. The next, a towel. A towel. Which is a matching word here? Dries. A towel dries. Next one, a snake. A snake. What is here? Snake hisses. Snake hisses. A potter. A potter carries the luggages. A potter carries. Next, a teacher teaches in the school. Next, a cricketer. A cricketer. What will be there? Hits. Cricketer hits. Footballer. Footballer. What will be? Kicks. We'll repeat this sentence again. A dog helps. A baby cries. A towel dries. A snake hisses. A potter carries. A teacher teaches. A cricketer hits. A footballer kicks. This is the matching exercise, children. We'll go to the next exercise. Children, next exercise. 5th one, desirable quality. What does it mean, children? Desirable quality. It's good quality. Everyone like you. If you are doing the good qualities, others will like you. That is desirable quality. The next one is undesirable quality. That means whenever whatever you are doing, others won't like you. That is desirable quality. Undesirable quality. That is undesirable quality. Textbook page 8. 2 are there. Desirable quality, undesirable quality. Okay. We'll discuss, children. Then first one. What is the desirable quality, children? Can you say anything? Can you say? We'll say true. True. You do. You say true always. The next, number 2, kind. K-I-N-D, kind. We kind to others, we kind to poor, and we kind to animals and birds. Don't tease them. Okay, kind. The next, third one, gentle. Gentle. We should be gentle always. Don't do some bad things. That is. Then next, number 4, honest. Honest. Do the work sincerely. Do honestly. That is honest. Number 5, helpful. Helpful. We should help others. That is helpful. The next, number 6, Regular. R-E-G-U-L-A-R. Regular. You should come to school regularly. Don't be absent. Don't be irregular. Okay, regular. Continue. Then next number 7. Friendly. Friendly. We should friendly with others. Don't quarrel with others. Isn't it? Friendly. Then number 8. Polite. Do you know polite children? We should speak to others politely. Don't speak with a rough. Okay, polite. Then 9. Loving. Loving. We should love others. Okay. These are the desirable qualities. When you are doing such these quality in you, others will like you. It's a very good qualities. It is near to the godliness. Okay. Then next, undesirable quality that we'll say. First one, selfish. Selfish means you are looking after only about you, thinking about you, what I should do, I like. Never think about others. Never think about others. That is selfish. The next, false. False means doing mistakes. Isn't it? Number 3, rude. Rude. Angry to others. Rude means we are showing angry to others. Then number 4, cruel. Cruel means not showing pity on others. Not showing pity. Then next, number 5, harsh. Harsh means rough and tough. Something dislike type. Okay. Then number 6, greedy. Greedy. Greedy means need more and more. Not satisfied. That is greedy. 7, proud. Proud. Proud means ego. Ego means always I. Such feeling is called as proud. Then number 8, careless. Careless. Careless means what, children? Not showing any sincerity to anything, any works or to others. That is careless. Number 9, cunning. Cunning. This one also in your words cheating, like you are saying no, cheating, that is cunning. These are the undesirable quality, children. Undesirable quality. We'll repeat, children, once again. We'll see the desirable quality and undesirable quality. First go to desirable quality. True. First one, true. Second one, kind. Kind. Third one, gentle. Gentle. Fourth one, honest. Honest. Fifth one, helpful. Helpful. Sixth one, regular. Regular. Seventh one, friendly. Friendly. Eighth one, polite. Polite. Ninth one, loving. Loving. These are the good qualities. The next, undesirable qualities. Undesirable quality. First one, selfish. Selfish. False. False. Rude. Rude. Cruel. Cruel. Harsh. Harsh. greedy, greedy, proud, proud, careless, careless. Last one, cunning, cunning. These are the undesirable quality. Which one do you like, children? Desirable or undesirable? Yeah, desirable qualities. Follow these desirable qualities in your life. Okay, children? Next exercise 6. Complete these sentences with words from the box. Textbook page 9. We are getting some words here, children. What are they? Read. Loudly, slowly, bravely, happily, correctly, honestly. Honestly. Now we are getting and writing some sentences here. We should complete these words from the box. First one is eat your your food dash. Eat your food loudly or slowly? Loudly or slowly? Slowly. Eat your food slowly. Chew well. Understood? Eat your food slowly. Second one, you should, SHOULD, should work dash. What is here, children? Honestly. What will be? Honestly. 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 You should work honestly. Number 3. Our soldiers. Who is, children? Soldiers. Fought dash. Our soldiers fought. What is? Bravely. Soldiers are fighting for our country. Then next, number 4. Boys were shouting. SHOUTING. Shouting dash. What is the answer here? I think loudly. Boys are shouting loudly. 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 Number 5. The birds. THE. The birds. BIRDS. Birds were singing. SINGING. Singing dash. What is the answer here? Happily. 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 Then number 6. He answered. ANSWERED. Answered the questions. QUESTIONS. Questions dash. What is here? Answer is correctly. 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 Now we completed here. All dashes completed. Now read again once. Number 1. Eat your food slowly. Eat your food slowly. Second one. You should work honestly. You should work honestly. Third one. Our soldiers fought bravely. Our soldiers fought bravely. Number 4, boys were shouting loudly. Boys were shouting loudly. Number 5, the birds were singing happily. The birds were singing happily. Sixth one, he answered the questions correctly. Sixth one, he answered the questions correctly. These are the sentences children completed. Okay children, we'll go to next exercise. Next exercise, 7th one. Write the following sentences as questions. See, it is in textbook page 9. Here you see children, it is the grammar part children. It is the grammar part. Number 1, the sentence given, that is, the little boy, little dog. The little dog yelped in pain. Here the underlined word is yelped. The question is, here they gave the answer. We should make the question. What is the verb here? The verb underlined word is yelped. First of all, you have to understand children, yelped means did plus yelp. That means yelped is in past tense. We can divide this yelped into did plus yelp. Did question word and yelp is original word of the verb yelp. So we should make the question. We should start the question with did. Here did the little little dog, we use the did here. Then what we have to use? Not this helped. What should use? Help. This help. Yelp. Should use help. In pain. This is a question. So we should put the question mark. Read children. Did the little dog yelp? See here. Did plus help. Did plus helped. Understood? In pain. Okay. Now second one. Mr. Emma, Mr. Roy, R-O-Y, Roy, walked back, B-A-C-K, back into his house. Here walked is the word. We should divide children. Here we divided helped. How? Did plus help. Same way walked also. How? Did plus what will be? Walk. Did plus walk is equal to walked. Send it. Then we'll write Mr. Roy, did. We should start the question with did. Did Mr. Roy, what will be here? Walk back into his house. Question mark. Here children, walked. We divided did plus walk is equal to walked. Here we made the question, did Mr. Roy walk back into his house? The third one. The boy, B-O-Y, boy showed, S-H-O-W-E-D, showed his sandwich, S-A-N-D, sand, W-I-C-H, which, sandwich to the dog, Here underlined word is showed. We should divide children like, what will be first? Did plus show. Did plus show is equal to showed. Understood? Then we start the question. Start the question with did. Did the boy, what will be here? This way, show. Show his sandwich to the dog. D-O-G, dog. Question mark. The next, number 4. He gave the boy, P-O-Y, boy, a hard blow, H-A-R-D, hard, B-L-O-W, blow, with, W-I-T-H, with his stick, S-T-I-C-K, stick. He gave the boy a hard blow with his stick. The underlined word is gave. Underlined word is gave. We should divide children how? Did plus give. Did plus give. Did plus give is equal to gave. Then we make the question. First word is did. He gave or give? Give. G-I-V-E, give the boy a hard blow with his stick. Blow with his stick. Question mark. Once read these all exercises, children. The little dog yelped in pain. We divided this yelped into 2. What is there? Did plus yelped. Okay. Did the little dog yelp in pain? Did the little dog yelp in pain? Next one. Mr. Roy walked back into his house. Mr. Roy walked back into his house. Did plus walk. Question. Did Mr. Roy walk back into his house? Third one. The boy showed his sandwich to the dog. Did plus show. Question. Did the boy show his sandwich to the dog? Number 4. He gave the boy a hard blow with his stick. Did plus give. Listen children. Did plus give. The question is, did he give the boy a hard blow with his stick? Again, did he give the boy a hard blow with his stick? Isn't it? Then fifth one. Fifth one is the boy had. Boy had a bag hanging, H-A-N-G-I-N-G, hanging from his shoulder. His shoulder. Here underline word is had. What is had? Same way we should write did, did plus how. Did plus how. We'll make the question. Did the boy have a bag hanging from his shoulder? Read again, children. The boy had a bag hanging from his shoulder. Did plus how? Had. Okay. Question is, did the boy have a bag hanging from his shoulder? Okay, children. Dear students, now we completed 7 exercises in the lesson 1. Now these all exercises you have to write in the class workbook, homework book also. Then learn well. Thank you, children.